Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and immediately booting to recovery. First, make sure OEM unlock is enabled and you have a full backup. Once done, connect the phone and confirm a DB devices lists it. Transfer the Pixel Experience ZIP to internal storage or SD. Reboot the device into recovery using a DB reboot recovery so you're ready to flash. This gets you into the right environment fast, reducing mistakes and enabling a clean install. You'll flash the ROM and necessary packages now, step by step. In recovery, choose Wipe and Clear Cache/Dalvik. If you're switching ROM families, perform a factory reset to avoid conflicts. Next, install the Pixel Experience ZIP from storage. Once it finishes, flash G apps only if your build needs them. If the ROM notes require a newer firmware or vendor, reboot to fastboot and use fastboot flash commands for those images. These steps ensure compatibility and a stable boot. You will complete the update by booting and verifying system stability. Reboot system now and expect the first boot to take several minutes. Once done, go through initial setup and check key functions like cellular, Wi-Fi, camera, and sensors. If you hit a boot loop, return to recovery to restore your backup or reflash the matching firmware/vendor images. If necessary, capture a logcat to identify drivers or SE Linux denials. Make sure everything works before reloading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.